Pathfinders. Good afternoon. How are you doing today? Hope you're great. We thank God for today. We'll bless the name of the Lord. Today in our maths, we're going to have fun like we normally do. We're going to learn addition and subtraction of time. Addition and subtraction of time. We've learned so many things. We've learned how to change units of time. We've learned how to use AM and PM. That was the last two we did, and I bet you still remember that. Then we've learned how to tell time. I bet you can now tell time properly. Good. Now we're going to see how to add time. The time it took me to do this, the time it took me to do that, put them together. How long did it take me to do all those things? That is addition. Okay, I had this time in a day, I used this time to do something, and I took away the time I used from the entire time I had. How much time do I have left? That is subtraction. So we know what addition is, and we know what subtraction is. Please, we are going to use the knowledge of our changing units of time very well in this. I hope you're going to roll with me. Good. Now let's take it. Now the first one says add 75 seconds to 80 seconds. Add 75 seconds to 80 seconds. Add 75 seconds to 80 seconds. Very good. Now we are going to add them. You see, I've already stated them and I have put my plus sign. Please always put the sign so that you would know what you're doing. If you leave out the sign, you might at a point forget what to do. So now I'm going to add 5 plus 0 will give me what? 5. 7 plus 8 will give me what? 15. So what do I have? I have 155 what? Seconds. Now my answer will not stop here. Why? It's correct. It is 100% correct. But I need to do something. I want to change it because I know that 60 seconds will give me 1 minute. So I want to change it to minutes. So I will break it down. So how many 60s do I have here? I have like 2 60s. So I have 60 plus 60 to give me what? 120. Then 155 minus 120 will give me what? 35 seconds. So 120 seconds equals to what? 2 minutes. And then 5 seconds, not up to 60, will remain 35 seconds. So what do I have now? I have 2 minutes, 35 seconds. That's just it. Did you get it? I told you we're going to use our knowledge of changing units of time. Now here, add 53 minutes to 61 minutes. Add 53 minutes to 61 minutes. We're going to add as usual. Now we have 3 plus 1 to give us 4. 5 plus 6 to give us what? 11. Now I have 11 what? 114 minutes. Pardon. 100 and what? 14 minutes. Okay, now how do I change it? I know that 60 minutes will give me what? 1 hour. So how many 60s do I have here? How many 60s? So I have only 160 here. And when I take away my 60 from here, what do I have left? I have what? 54 minutes left. So I have 60 plus 54, all in minutes. Now I will do what? Break them down. So I have this as 1 hour and this as what? 54 minutes. So my total answer will be 1 hour, 54 minutes. I hope you are following. Good. Now let's take this one. Add 1 hour, 45 minutes to 3 hours, 58 minutes. Now you see, I now have like 2 units here. Sorry, yes, I have hour and minutes. Here it was only minutes and here it was only seconds. Now I had to do what? Put this. I have column for hour, I have column for minutes. Good. Now I have 1 hour, I have 3 hours. Each number will go to its unit. So I have 3 on the hours and 1 on the hour, 58 minutes on the minute, 45 minutes on the minute. That's how to place it properly. That's how to place our time properly. Did you get that? So the next thing is to do what? To add. So I have 8 plus 5 to give me what? 13. I will not write my 13. I will write 3 and then carry 1. I have 1 plus 5 plus 4. And that will give me what? 10. So on the minutes, I have 103 what? minutes. Then on the hour, what do I have? 3 plus 1 will give me what? 4. So I have a total of what? 4 hours, 103 what? Minutes. Did you get that? Good. Now, what about this my minutes? Now, I shouldn't have anything more than 60. If I have anything more than 60, I should be able to do what? Convert it. That was why I was converting in all this. So that is what we're going to do here now. So the question I'm going to ask myself is this. 60 minutes will give me 1 hour. So how many 60s do I have here? Are you following? So I'll just be like this. I'll take away 160. 3 minus 0 will give me 3. 10 minus 6 will give me 4. So it's only 160 I have here. 60 cannot come twice here because of the number I have here. So I have 60 plus 43. I like the drop down method. Please always use your drop down method. So 60 minutes here will give me 1 hour plus 43 minutes. So this 1 hour, I'll move it over to this. So I'll add 1 hour to the hour column. So what do I have now? 5 hours, 43 minutes. Did you get that? Good. Now let's come to subtraction. Can you see it? Delete it. Delete it.